Hi students, good morning and welcome to our this class. From this class, we are entering the field of technology. In our 8th C paper, we are going to take unit 3. And in this unit, we have discussed maxims of good writing. Now, we are taking the topic website design. So, this class is going to be an introductory class about the website. Students, we all know that nowadays nobody is unfamiliar with internet is a network of computers that is connected internationally. So it is international network of computers. Each computer on this internet is identified by a unique number that is called IP address or internet protocol address. This IP address is composed of different numbers which are separated by points. So actually this is the address in internet. Our topic is website. So in this internet we often visit various types of websites. So what is a website? A website is a place which is connected to the internet where a person or a company or organization can put the information and it can be found or searched or utilized by any user on the World Wide Web. So we can say that nowadays website has become a very powerful tool of communication. It is a unique way to connect with the world. Whether we are to set up a website to share our information, share our music, we can share so many things on website. There is no limit. This website contains web pages. So what is a web page? A web page is a collection of information on a single page provided by a website, and it is displayed to a user in a web browser. Web browser is the system through which we can search the internet. So website is typically a collection of many web pages which are linked together in a pattern. We can say, using the language metaphorically, we can say that web page is the page bound in a book, and this book is our website. So in simple terms we can say that website is a collection of pages which are related content is identified. It has a domain name, means an address. We will discuss these terms in detail. And for example, we can take the wikipedia.org, google.com, amazon.com. So these are examples of websites. We can understand website if we can look at the working of these sites. So there are websites which are accessed by anybody, any people, publicly they are accessible, and then there are certain websites which are private, which can be accessed only by allowed members. Then a quick look at how it works, what happens in a website. A website is simply a collection of web pages, as we all know. Layout, format, content, all these things are pre-decided by the setter of the website. Then there is a web server, an internet connected computer that receives the request for a web page sent by the browser. Then this browser connects the computer to the server using the IP address The web server processes the URL, that is the universal resource locator, that is in a sense the address or the exact location, exact name of the page we want to look at, and thus that HTML page is shown on our computer. That is a rough process in rough how a website is searched. If we are to set up our own website, then the usual follow up is that we are to choose a domain name. Domain name is equal to the name of our website. We will have to get it registered with the host, then set up a website using WordPress or customize our website, its design and structure, and thus we can use our website. Nowadays, a word portal is also used for a website. Portal means a website that does so many works which were not earlier done by a website. These are the some technical terms. I think we all are familiar with these terms. In one of our future class, we will take all these technical terms and discuss what these things are. First, for our this class, we will enter our subject as an introduction. So website design, its introduction. To put the matter clearly, we can say you can use the printout of this material. A website is a set of web pages served by a web domain. Served by a web domain. It is hosted by at least one web browser which can be accessed through network, or that is internet, using its address which is known as URL. URL, Universal Resource Locator. All websites collectively constitute World Wide Web. So what is www? It is World Wide Web, and it is the collection of all the websites, all the material, all the files which are on the computers which are connected through this service. A website is a place containing information about a person or an organization. It contains hyperlinks through which navigation can be made to all the other related web pages. In every website, there is a home page, which is the first document presented by the site on the home page. Home page is the very first page which opens whenever we search for a website or whenever we visit a website. Our first encounter is with the home page. Home page is just like the nameplate on a house. There are hyperlinks to other additional documents or fields or other files. On the home page, we will get some hyperlinks which will take us to other pages. Thus, the home page serves as a nameplate and also as an index to other documents. The documents are formatted in a language which is called HTML. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. And this language makes the interaction between the pages possible. HTML supports links to other documents which may be graphics, audio, video, or picture or text files. Web pages may be linked to other websites and their pages with suitable markup anchors or suitable links. If they are related, means the even more than one website can be interrelated. From one website we can go to a new website. Web pages are accessed and transported with a protocol known as HTTP. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a system, a set of rules which is followed by the machine, or with the help of this process, the machine is capable to show us the pages. So, HTTP is there before every domain name, before name of every website. HTTP secure, it provides security and privacy by encrypting information between the server and the user. So HTTP are of two types, HTTP and HTTPS. HTTPS is the HTTP secure, which is more secured in its use. These technical terms we are going to discuss in one of our class. First of all, if we are to set up a website, so how to make a website? Before setting a website, we will have to decide, or we will have to chalk out on 4 points. The purpose of our website, for whom we are making this website, what will be the content and presentation of our website, what will be the structure of our website, and how we will design it. So first of all, we will discuss these points. Preparing a website involves many technical aspects. Nowadays, a great deal of online help is available. There are so many websites which can guide us in preparing a website. For finding a server for the actual creation of a site, there is no need of knowing the HTML or the other codes of machine. What is needed is only preparation for purpose, target, audience, structure and files, and then all the technical work will be done online by those service provider sites. So purpose is the aim behind setting up the website. For what we are setting up the website? For example, we can say that our website will be to teach English. Purpose is the message we want to convey to our audience, or what we want our audience to do or learn from viewing our site. The purpose may be to inform, impart information, to persuade, to spread awareness, to entertain our audience, or to provide a channel for connection or communication to other activities which is included in portal. So first of all, we should be clear in our mind for what work we are going to set up this website. By visiting our website, what a person will get, or what we want to give a person if he visits our website. That's all right for today. In our next class, we will continue with this topic. So thanks. See you in our next class. Thank you, students.